Hey everyone, how are you going? It's Akos here from Flow. Welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we will checking out the new FlexiSpot C7 Morpher ergonomic chair. Now, if you watched the channel before, you already know I worked with FlexiSpot previously and I'm still actually using my FlexiSpot desk every single day. So I was genuinely excited to test this chair because I already knew the quality was probably going to be solid. And honestly, after using it for gaming, editing and everyday work, like this chair seriously impressed me. So today I'll show the setup, the comfort level, the unboxing, the setup and everything. And actually, is it worth your money or not? So as usually, after the intro, let's start with the unboxing. Let's go! So straight away guys, the packaging felt absolutely premium. Everything was packed really nicely, all the parts felt high quality and nothing felt cheap at all, as you can see here. And honestly, setup was way easier than I expected. You can absolutely build this alone without any problems. The manuals are super clean, all the screws are organized nicely, and the instructions are very easy to follow step by step. I think it took me around 20 to 30 minutes solo build. Once fully built, the chair instantly felt solid and premium, and visually it fits my desk setup perfectly. And now let's speak about the features and the adjustments. One thing I really like about the C7 Morpher is just how adjustable everything is. You can adjust the headrest height and angle, the armrests rotate and move around depending on your setup, the seat height adjusts easily, and you can even adjust the seat depth, which is actually really nice for longer sitting sessions. The recline mechanism also feels super smooth. You can just adjust the tension depending on your body weight and how relaxed you want the chair to feel. The lumbar support is honestly one of my favorite parts. It adapts really nicely to your back and feels supportive without being too aggressive. And there's also adjustable backrest height and upper back angle adjustments, so you can really dial the chair in exactly how you want it. Now the real life usage is where this chair is really started to impress me. A lot of my days I'm basically sitting for hours editing videos, answering emails, planning content, filming, or gaming late at night after work. And honestly, this chair made those long sessions way more comfortable. When I'm editing videos for like 4 or 5 hours straight sometimes, I usually start moving around constantly in chairs, trying to get comfortable. But with the C7 Morpher, I found myself just naturally sitting properly without even thinking about it. The lumbar support genuinely helps during the longer editing sessions. And for gaming, especially late night sessions, the mesh design helps a lot because it stays cooler and more breathable compared to leather chairs. Even leaning back, relaxing while watching YouTube or listening to music just feel really good in this chair. That's probably the biggest compliment I can give it. I just stop thinking about the chair and just focus on what I'm doing. And now let me mention the design and the comfort. One of my favorite things about this chair is definitely the mesh design. It looks modern, clean and honestly really cozy. Some mesh chairs can feel stiff, but this one feels supportive while still staying comfortable for long sessions. And visually it matches my setup perfectly beside the FlexiSpot desk I'm already using daily. However, my only real negative honestly is that I wish FlexiSpot made a white version, because with my setup style I think a white model would look absolutely amazing. Other than that, I really don't have many complaints here. Alright guys, it's time to wrap up. Overall, I genuinely love the FlexiSpot C7 Morpher. It's comfortable, breathable, premium feeling, super easy to assemble, and honestly perfect for gaming, editing or everyday desk work. And pairing it with my FlexiSpot desk setup just makes everything feel even better together. So a huge thanks again to FlexiSpot to sending me this product over and sponsoring today's video. And if you guys want to check out the C7 Morpher for yourself, make sure to use the banner QR code on the screen right now to instantly check out the product and get more information. Thank you guys for watching, it was Akos from Flow, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!